I also like putting them in my raw vegan bolognese. Hello, it is so wonderful that you are here. My name is Julia Sana, and in today's video I want to show you how I make my lentil sprouts without any fancy equipment. So all you need for this method is a sieve, ideally one with, very small outlets, and a bowl with some raw lentils. I use some organic, they are called organic mountain lentils, but yeah, you can use any lentils you like. And it's 2 p.m. right now, but you can also do this before going to sleep. And basically I am just going to soak them in some water and soak them for 8 hours at least. So as I said, you can do this before you go to sleep. I'm going to soak them now for 8 hours, and then before I sleep I will rinse them for the first time. I'm just editing the video, and I thought it'd also be important to mention that this time frame is just approximately. You should definitely soak it for at least 8 hours, but you can also soak it for 10 hours or 11 hours. And also when you rinse it is not that important. It's just important that it's approximately 2 to 3 times per day. And then you're good to go. So yeah, we'll see each other in 8 hours.
8 hours later.
It is evening time now, and I have the soaked lentils here. And now this is where the sieve comes in. So basically, I'm just going to put all these lentils into the sieve. Use a bit of water. And rinse them all out. Put them onto the bowl and spread them out nice and evenly. So that is basically it. From here I'm just going to rinse the lentils with some water tomorrow 2 times, and then the day after that 1 more time, and then the lentils are pretty much ready to go. Alright, the sprouts are ready to eat. I just put them in a glass. And this entire process maybe took me like 10 minutes in total. So it's very, very simple and easy. The first thing you maybe will have to think a little bit about it, but then the second, third and fourth time you'll get into a routine, and it'll just be natural for you to rinse them twice a day. And I personally also find it really cool to observe the process and see how they are growing and sprouting. It's very much fun. And I also really enjoy eating them. Before going high raw vegan, I always used to eat these lentils cooked from the can or just cook them myself, which was a lot of work. And I found that I actually enjoy the sprouted ones a lot more. I also like putting them in my raw vegan bolognese, which the recipe is coming soon. I know you all have been asking. And I could even though I probably wouldn't unless it would be an emergency, make an entire meal out of them without having to add anything. Whereas the cooked lentils, I don't really enjoy just eating on their own. I would need some kind of sauce or something with it. And yeah, I definitely think lentils are great. However, I don't think you need them. If you don't enjoy eating them, then you don't have to eat them. They definitely do carry some nutritional, benefits. However, I personally don't eat to get something out of the food or to get nutrients out of the food. I eat for pleasure, and now that I enjoy them so much, that's why I eat them. And I personally also wouldn't recommend eating them every day. I'll probably have them twice a month or something, just because lentils and legumes are very high in protein. And if you've read the 80-10-10 diet, you know that enough protein is enough, and too much protein can actually stand in our body's way. So yeah, because it is very hard to digest for the body and to convert into energy. So it's, you know, taxing on the digestive system. And you know, fruit, for example, is a lot easier for the body to convert into energy. So definitely enjoy it as much as you want to. Have fun with it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this method of making sprouts and if you enjoyed it. And other than that, I wish you all a wonderful rest of your day, and maybe see you in my next video. Bye bye.